This will also add spice sa relationship nyo. So, saying no, rejecting her, or disappointing her is parang, ano siya, parang spice. Okay? Parang magic sarap. Kapag ang pagkain, wala masyadong spice, okay? Matabang yung magiging relationship. Pero kapag meron kang boundaries, nire-reinforce yung boundaries mo, nakakapag-say ka ng no, hindi ka takot na ma-disappoint siya, this will add flavor dun sa relationship nyo. So that's why kapag papasok ka sa relationship, pagpapasok ka sa dating, I highly encourage men to disappoint women as soon as possible. Kasi again, if you're dating them, you want to know their true nature. Kung paano nila i-handle yung pag-reinforce mo ng boundaries mo. Paano nila i-handle yung limits mo bilang lalaki. Again, you are protecting your own world. Sila yung pumapasok sa mundo mo. So hindi lahat makakapasok sa mundo mo. Kasi again, alam mo that one wrong woman can destroy your kingdom. Okay? So a woman can either multiply your world positively or negatively. So, as soon as possible, try to disappoint women by saying no.